Hi, this is Steve from SewingGold.com in Chicago. This is a 6800 series tabletop with the braces and the base that's going to hold the machine. So this is the way we're going to sort of ship it. We're going to ship it like this. We've got these two bolts here, okay, that are going to hold this brace on only during shipping. This brace is going to be held on by some screws, some wood screws, okay? So what we want to do is we're going to remove, once we remove this, Jose, can you remove that? Just take it off, put it on the ground. Okay, once we remove that, and we're going to remove this too, we're going to be left with this. These two screws here are going to be garbage. You're not going to need the two screws. So I've marked everything out. This one's going to be base. So this is actually a base screw, okay? So this screw, this is a base screw. We're not going to put this in here for shipping purposes, okay? But we wanted to show you this is what the base screw looks like, okay? So the holes that we're going to use, and this is the way you're going to be setting it up, you're going to be looking at it like this. This screw is a base screw. It's going to go in this slot here. Okay, I'm going to zoom out again. It's going to go here. Remember, this is garbage, this screw. You're going to need one of those long ones. This is a base screw. Okay, and this is where the other base screw goes. Okay, remember, this one's garbage. That's a base screw. Okay, so now I've also wrote on here light. This is where your light's going to go, obviously through the other side. And these are the three motor holes, okay? Any other hole you see here, just ignore it. We're not going to use them, okay? So I will mark this on every serger just so you could see it, but I just wanted to make it clear when you get the tabletop and you open it up, okay? If you have any questions, just give us a call. Thank you.